earlier, the Ministry of Justice asked the former special prosecutor not to go beyond his report on the results of the proceedings attributed to Russia's interference in the presidential elections in the United States. Former U.S. Special Prosecutor Robert Mueller said on Wednesday that he will limit his testimony at the hearings in Congress. In particular, he will not talk about the FBI investigation of the actions of President Donald Trump. Mueller speaks at a hearing in the Legal Committee of the lower house of the U.S. legislature. On Monday, the Ministry of Justice asked the former special prosecutor in Congress not to go beyond the report published on the results of his trial. In this regard, I will not be able to answer questions about some areas to which, as I know, the public interest is chained, said Mueller, who oversaw the investigation of the case of Russia's alleged interference in the presidential elections in the United States in 2016. Given my role as special prosecutor, there are reasons why my testimony will necessarily be limited, he said, adding that this is related to cases the Justice Ministry investigation or trial of which has not yet been completed. Court rulings on some of these issues limit the ability to disclose information, Mueller explained. In accordance with the long-term policy of the Ministry of Justice, it would be inappropriate for me to make comments that may affect the current investigation. For example, I will not be able to answer questions related to the initial investigation of the FBI in the case of interference in the elections of Russia, which was initiated a few months before my appointment to the post of special prosecutor. Quote, Mueller said. He also indicated that he would not be able to answer questions about the dossier compiled by former British intelligence officer Christopher Steele. The document claimed that Moscow allegedly has information that exposes Trump in an unsightly light. At the moment, they are considered by the Ministry of Justice. In this regard, any questions on these topics should be sent to the FBI or the Ministry of Justice, the ex-special prosecutor explained.